So we're active, yeah, back again, never episode, you know the vibes, yeah. So today we're in the Ferrari, got the BM, Big Chris has already been on the channel. Few cars down there, M5, there's the M2 there, we've got next man driving right now. Few other cars down there, we're off to Caffeine Machine. Active, obviously Elliot's come out with us today, so I'm going to be riding passenger. Drivers in there. Yeah, one more time Elliot, one more time brother. Yeah, that's what we're on today anyway. So like I said, we're off to Caffeine Machine, the gang's out, everyone's here, a few cars down there, Chris down there. We're going to keep the camera rolling and yeah, get some good footage on this bad boy, but we'll do a little spin round whilst we're here. Obviously, we're in the 458. You've obviously just recently owned this, yeah? Yeah. So just talk us through a little bit. How do you get these windows up? Yeah, nice. It's the Spider as well, as you can tell. You get me? On the gas, isn't it? Fucking hell, man. So it's a 4.4 V8, and what sort of brake horsepower is this?
I don't actually know. I think it's 540, maybe 547,
yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. In a lightweight car though, as well, isn't it? So
yeah.
Obviously, as you can see, a lot of it's made out of carbon steering wheels, and there's some added carbon bits, obviously, as you can see, like here, in there. Even these, I looked at these earlier and seen how thin they actually are, yeah, in comparison to like a normal one, innit? Yeah. So
everything's weight cutting.
Yeah,
The Spider, I think, is lighter than the hardtop version.
Yeah.
And they got more. You get more room in this one as well with the back because they've had to make a shelf or something.
Okay. Yeah.
There's more room in this as well. So.
Fucking hell, man. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been in the Ferrari 458. I've seen them in it, do you know what I mean? But actually being in one like this is fucking. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice, man. So you had an R8 before this, wasn't it?
Yeah, Spider, yeah.
And that's like the V10 one, was it?
Yeah, V10.
So what's the change like? Because obviously the V10 and V8's different kind of car in general. Audi four-wheel drive. This is rear.
So the biggest difference is four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
There's no comparison. Like going around the corner, the R8 will spank this all over the park.
Yeah.
But in pickup, this is far quicker.
Yeah.
Far, it's like instant. Whereas the Audi was a little bit slow. You have to make sure you're in the right gear.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you've got no pickup. Obviously, with no turbos, but yeah, it's a different kind of speed as well.
And another thing is, obviously, I think Ferrari's probably more like Audi's obviously got powerful cars, the R8 anyway. But Ferrari entry level's quick. Do you know what I mean? Like, they're just supercar.
They don't do a slow car.
Yeah. They don't do family hatchbacks and stuff like that. So they're only aiming at fucking supercar drivers, really, innit? So yeah, man. Fucking hell, man. And like I said, obviously, I'm not asking how much you paid, but how much roughly would something like this go for?
Anywhere, depending on the year and the mileage. Mileage is a massive thing on this.
Yeah.
If you've got, say, 25,000 miles compared to like a 15,000 mile car,
yeah,
you could be talking 10-20 grand price difference. So anywhere from 150 to, I think the most expensive I saw was about 200.
Yeah.
So an awful lot of money.
Yeah.
But probably an awful lot more affordable than what people.
Yeah, of course.
They make the V8 sound like
it just sounds so like
my old, when I had an E63 S, I've had a few, and they're V8s but 4 litres, and they're rumble like what you would expect from a V8.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know, like a V10 and a V12 raw. It's sort of the same as this, like maybe on like a bit of a different level. Like a V12 sounds insane.
Yeah. I know what you're saying, like V8 sound a little bit more like grumbly. Like.
Yeah, it's a grumble, like what you would expect from a muscle car.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, this sounds like fucking. It's just been like decatted and everything, like a V8 on the finished article almost, isn't it?
Yeah, just under 9. The 80 rev to just over 9.
Yeah. Oh, so you can see you've got all the temperature gauges on the tyres as well.
And everything's on the steering wheel, light suspension.
So you're in race mode at the moment.
Yeah.
Is that the highest mode then? Is it?
No. So that turns all the traction control off.
Yeah.
Everything, but it's fucking deadly. Like it's deadly.
Yeah.
Just leave it on race, that opens up the exhaust valves. Wet keeps everything sort of standard.
Yeah.
Low power, and less throttle response.
Okay. Hey, that steering wheel's just mad, man. Yeah, it literally looks like, you know when they make the race thing on PlayStation?
Yeah.
It's like that, literally, isn't it?
So all your indicators, window wipers, lights, suspension, everything. The only thing that's on the column is the gears. Reverse is down there.
Yeah. So as you can see, reverse is down there. Mate, it's just such a nice place to be as well. Like for a supercar, you don't feel too like intimidated in it, if that makes sense. I think it's probably because of the roof in it.
Yeah.
Like you haven't got a low roof down to your head, have you?
There's a lot of room in the cockpit as well, to be fair. Like much more than the R8.
Yeah.
Way more in here than there was.
Yeah, because Audi have packed it out in the middle, haven't they?
This is
like,
all hollow, so. More advanced than the R8.
Yeah.
But where the R8 was 4 years newer and new technology's gone into it, I think it was a bit more.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
It was more daily.
Yeah. Like if you got a same reg Ferrari, you'd probably get a little bit more like you feel like you could daily it a little bit more.
I would imagine a 458 you could probably do as more of a, a 488 you could do as a daily.
Yeah.
If you really wanted to, but you don't want to put the miles on it. I mean, this has only got like 22 or 23,000 on it.
Yeah.
You don't want to be putting.
That's what you're on about there, yeah?
Yeah.
When you just went and then the valves kicked out.
Yeah, the valves opened and it's like, but then because you've accelerated, they've opened, and then because you're sat like idle at 2,000, they just close again.
Yeah.
So you might want them open or closed. That's
yeah. So right now, you in manual mode?
No, auto.
So if you drop the gear now on your paddle shift. Oh, so that's wet mode then, is it?
Yeah, so this is wet mode. So if you put it into, say, race, it will tell you how much your diff's on. Obviously, it tells you that your engine's ready to go, your tyres are ready to go, brakes are ready to go, and then you can go through that. Best lap times. Loads of stuff. There's loads of stuff that I haven't figured out, like what it is.
Yeah. You need to go on like a long drive with it, don't you? And just go through all the modes, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a lot of YouTube videos to watch to learn different things. I mean, it's got bumpy road mode, so you can.
Oh, so somewhere like where we are now,
yeah.
it is.